Where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
What are you doing now?
I'm washing my clothes.
You doing job? It's your job or you work in home?
Work in home.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, I'm job and work in my home. I cook already for lunch. So how about you?
I'm just woke up. Do you know that I'm learning English? That's why I'm here.
That's good. You're learning in your English. Huh? So how old are you? Your age.
30
What
years.
is your age?
30 years.
Oh, 30 years. So that's good. You're so very nice.
And
So nice to meet you and you're good. You're a good man and so very handsome.
really?
Yeah, really. Not liar. So very handsome. You're so cute.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How many kids do you have?
Three.
Three.
Two boys and one girl. Yeah.
Do you have husband or you live alone?
No have husband because she came another that girl. For now, I can find nothing.
You are the only
Oh,
person to earn from your family?
yeah. Are you single?
You are single mother.
No. I asking you, are you single?
Oh no.
You.
I'm married.
Oh, that's good. How many child?
Recently I got married just 5 months ago.
Oh, that's very nice. So
Yeah.
you're a good husband. You're a good father.
No, now I don't have kids, but I want in
Yeah,
future.
but later
Yeah, later.
you have my kids before. Are you ready to marry?
So tell me something about your country.
My country?
Yeah.
That is my country. Is so beautiful lands and I have many beach resort. So my the people is a good friend. That's
Filipino
why.
people are very friendly.
Yeah, you're so Filipina, so very friendly. Oh,
So you live in Philippines. Where in Philippines? Mindanao or where?
no, I live in Quezon province.
Oh, Quezon province. You speak
That
Tagalog?
okay. Marunong ka?
I don't know
You
how
can
to speak
understand.
Tagalog, but only
You
few
can
words.
understand Tagalog?
No, I only speak kamusta ka.
Kamusta ka? Your language, that Filipino, kamusta ka? Sa English, hi, hello.
Yeah, I have some friend there from Philippines. They teach me some Filipino language.
Oh,
That's
you
why.
search the Google?
Yeah, I can search in Google, but my friend told me some Filipino language. They speak Tagalog, also English.
Oh, also English.
Yeah,
That's very nice. So, your name is Wally?
yeah. And what's your name?
My name is Joby. I have something to tell you, Wally. I have my boyfriend in Saudi, so it just learn to speak Tagalog. I can teach my language Tagalog. Homemade fruits, banana is saging,
Oh, banana in
eggplant.
Tagalog is sagi.
Yeah, eggplant is talong.
It's very difficult for me now.
Yeah. What is your language and pineapple or piña?
Pineapple in my country, everyone saying anaros, anaros.
That is your fruits and translates to English pineapple and here Tagalog, piña.
Pinia.
Piña. Your country is, what is your name?
Anaros. Anaros
And
means pineapple.
honor. Oh,
And here country is saying pinia.
piña, yeah. You like that.
You teach me Tagalog,
You like
I teach you
many.
Bengali.
I can change my topic. That nice to meet you, Walid can.
Yeah,
I
nice to
can
meet
follow
you.
you.
Have a good day.
Thanks for accepting me and you can speak
Yeah, same here. I'm also need to a partner who is good in English and I want to make a conversation. So thank you for giving me your valuable time.
Thanks and nice to meet you. Take care and carefully get
Okay, same to you.